Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your name in CoinGecko application. If you want a cleaner profile or simply prefer a new name, CoinGecko makes it easier to edit your profile detail. First of all, open the CoinGecko application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now at the very top left, you will see hello and your name. If you haven't changed or updated your name on CoinGecko since you first created an account, then now you can do that. Go to the pencil button at the top left and then tap on it, and you can go ahead and enter a new name for yourself you want to change to. Finally, click save and you'll be able to change your name on CoinGecko. So that is how it's super easily done. You can always change your name again and again by tapping the pencil button from the same page and entering a new name. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.